So Midjourney, the generative AI program that turns text into images, just gave us an update that they are upgrading to version 5.2, and there are a couple of improvements to the text understanding, shortened command, higher variation modes, and also the all new zoom out painting function. Here's a look at what these are. Let's dive in. The first one is variation mode, which essentially allows users to hone in on the kind of visual nuance and change they want to apply to their outputs. They can use the command /settings and either change the variation into a higher or lower one. Next up is shortening command. And this is one of the biggest misconceptions about Midjourney, is that if you use more words in your prompt, you will automatically see better or more detailed results while creating detailed prompts. However, with the shorten command now, you will just hit / shorten and insert your wordy prompt, which Midjourney will then analyze and suggest a few alternatives to use instead. Finally, the zoom out painting feature. The fun thing to play here is the potential endless zooming options. If you zoom out on your output, you can take the upscaled image and reapply the zoom out times 1.5 or 2 as much as you want, and it will continue to build on your ever expanding image. Anyways, that's it from me. If you like this review, leave a thumbs up. See you in the next one.